Top 6 Best Mechanical Keyboards for Work. Gaming in 2025. Discover the ultimate gaming and work experience with our top 6 best mechanical keyboards of 2025. Combining precision, durability, and stylish design, these keyboards are perfect for boosting productivity and enhancing gaming performance. Explore the latest innovations and find the perfect keyboard to elevate your setup this year. Number 6. Corsair K100 RGB. The Corsair K100 RGB is a premium mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and professionals seeking top-tier performance and striking aesthetics. Equipped with Cherry MX Speed or Corsair's own optical mechanical switches, it delivers ultra-fast response times and exceptional accuracy, making it perfect for competitive gaming and precise work tasks. The keyboard features a sleek aluminum frame that provides durability and a premium feel, along with customizable RGB lighting that allows users to personalize their setup with vibrant dynamic lighting effects. With dedicated macro keys and a multifunction roller, the K10 RGB offers enhanced functionality for both gaming and productivity, enabling quick access to commands and adjustments. Its advanced Axon hyperprocessing technology ensures up to 4000 Hz polling rate for ultra-smooth input and responsiveness. The keyboard supports extensive customization through Corsair's ICUE software, allowing users to create complex lighting, animations, remap keys, and configure macros effortlessly. The detachable soft-touch wrist rest provides added comfort during long sessions, while the robust construction ensures longevity. Whether you're engaging in intense gaming battles or tackling demanding work projects, the Corsair K10 RGB combines speed, style, and durability to elevate your experience to the next level. Number 5. Razer Huntsman V2. The Razer Huntsman V2 is a premium gaming and work keyboard designed to deliver exceptional performance and durability. Featuring Razer's innovative optomechanical switches, it offers lightning-fast response times and a satisfying tactile feel, making it ideal for gaming and productivity tasks alike. These switches use light-based actuation technology, registering keystrokes faster than traditional mechanical switches, giving you a competitive edge in fast-paced games and ensuring precise typing. The Huntsman V2 boasts a sleek, sturdy build with a full-height aluminum chassis that provides stability during intense gaming sessions or extended work hours. Customizable per-key RGB lighting allows you to personalize your setup, creating immersive lighting effects that sync with your gameplay or workspace ambience. The keyboard also includes dedicated media controls, a multifunction digital dial, and a plush wrist rest for enhanced comfort during prolonged use. With durable keycaps designed to withstand intense use, the Razer Huntsman V2 is built to last. Its versatile features, stylish design, and advanced technology make it the perfect choice for gamers and professionals seeking a hyper-reliable mechanical keyboard in 2025. Elevate your gaming and work experience with this cutting-edge device. Number 4. Logitech G Pro XTHE. Logitech G Pro X mechanical gaming keyboard is designed for gamers and professionals seeking precision, customization, and durability. Featuring hot swappable GX mechanical switches, the G Pro X allows you to easily customize your typing experience by swapping switches without soldering, catering to your preferred feel and sound. Whether you prefer clicky, tactile, or linear switches, this keyboard offers flexibility to suit your style. Built with a compact, tankless design, the G Pro X provides more space on your desk for mouse movement and easy portability for gaming tournaments or work on the go. The sturdy yet lightweight construction ensures durability, while the aluminum top plate adds premium feel and stability during intense gaming sessions or long work hours. The keyboard features customizable RGB lighting that syncs with your gaming setup, offering vibrant and dynamic effects. The keys are double-shot PBT, providing long-lasting legends that resist wear and fading. The onboard memory allows you to save custom profiles, macros, and lighting settings for quick access across different setups. With programmable macro keys and a detachable cable, the Logitech G Pro X offers a versatile and streamlined experience. Whether you're gaming competitively or working efficiently, this keyboard delivers performance, personalization, and reliability to elevate your overall experience. Number 3. SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is a flagship mechanical gaming keyboard designed for gamers and professionals who demand precision and customization. Featuring SteelSeries' innovative OmniPoint adjustable mechanical switches, the Apex Pro allows users to customize actuation points from 0.2 mm to 3.8 mm, providing a highly personalized typing and gaming experience. This means you can set the keys to register faster for quick reflexes or deeper for more deliberate typing, giving you a competitive edge in any scenario. The keyboard boasts a sleek, durable aluminum frame that offers excellent stability and a premium feel. Its customizable, OLED Smart Display provides real-time information, notifications, and media controls at your fingertips. ensuring seamless multitasking. The Apex Pro also features PERC ERGB illumination, allowing you to personalize your setup with vibrant lighting effects and macros, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Designed for comfort, it includes a magnetic wrist rest that provides ergonomic support during long gaming or work sessions. The sturdy keycaps are made from high-quality PBT material, resistant to wear and shine over time. With its advanced features, robust construction, and sleek design, the SteelSeries Apex Pro is the perfect choice for gamers and professionals seeking a versatile, high-performance mechanical keyboard in 2025. Number 2. Ducky One 3. The Ducky One 3 is a premium mechanical keyboard designed to elevate your work and gaming experiences. Renowned for its exceptional build quality, the One 3 features a sturdy aluminum top plate and a sleek, minimalist design that complements any setup. Its compact layout offers a perfect balance of functionality and space efficiency, making it ideal for both professional workstations and gaming desks. Equipped with high-quality Cherry MX switches, the Ducky One 3 delivers precise, responsive keystrokes with satisfying feedback. Whether you're typing documents or executing fast-paced gaming maneuvers, the keyboard offers multiple switch options, including tactile, linear, and clicky variants, allowing users to customize their experience to match their preferences. The double-shot PBT keycaps ensure durability, resistance to wear, and a comfortable typing feel. The Ducky One 3 also features customizable RGB back with vibrant, vivid lighting effects that can be tailored through dedicated software or onboard controls. Its hot-swappable switches provide easy customization without soldering, enabling users to experiment with different switch types effortlessly. Additional features like programmable keys, a durable USB-C connection, and anti-ghosting ensure seamless performance during intense gaming sessions or long work hours. Overall, the Ducky One 3 combines premium craftsmanship, versatile customization, and reliable performance, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals seeking a high-quality mechanical keyboard in 2025. Number 1. The Keychron Q1 is a highly customizable and premium mechanical keyboard designed for both work and gaming enthusiasts. Featuring a robust aluminum frame, the Q1 offers exceptional durability and a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that seamlessly fits into any workspace or gaming setup. Its compact 75% layout provides a perfect balance between functionality and portability, making it ideal for users who need a versatile keyboard without sacrificing key real estate. Equipped with hot-swappable switches, the Keychron Q1 allows users to easily customize their typing experience by swapping out switches without soldering. It supports a wide range of switch types, including tactile, linear, and clicky options, enabling users to tailor the keyboard to their preferences. The keyboard uses high-quality Gateron or LK optical switches, ensuring smooth and responsive keystrokes. The Q1 features customizable RGB backlighting that can be personalized through software or onboard controls, adding a vibrant touch to your setup. It also offers programmable keys, allowing users to assign macros and shortcuts for enhanced productivity. With Bluetooth 5.1 and wired connectivity options, the keyboard provides seamless versatility for different devices. Overall, the Keychron Q1 combines premium build quality, extensive customization, and versatile connectivity, making it a top choice for both work and gaming in 2025. Thanks for watching our top 6 best mechanical keyboards for work and gaming in 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect keyboard to boost your productivity and gaming experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews. Happy typing and gaming!